the review of some of the veneers I'm shipping out. Here's a piece of Santos rosewood. Has some deep violet colors streaked with browns and blacks. Excellent wood, takes a high polish. Very elegant wood. Here's a piece of wenge. Be careful when you handle this. You just get splinters just by looking at it. Not one of my favorite veneers. It's a good wood to work with, but it really does play havoc on your skin and on your hands. Here's a sheet of very bright white, full side-to-side curl figure, English sycamore, or just a curly maple. Here is a piece of ziricote, high contrast, with those wild grains and colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Followed by a fully developed sheet of purple heart. Well, it really just is hard to believe that that's actually a real wood. And then here is a piece of sweet gum. Pretty unusual veneer to work with. It reminds me of a desert scene. I use it a lot in some of the marquetry pictures I used to make. If you like the content of this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel, Volpe Woodworks. You can find all these veneers and more in my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, on Amazon as seller Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, and an Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks. It can be reached by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com if you want to discuss selecting a veneer for an upcoming project. I'm happy to help you pick one.